Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on preparing your EU1000i or EU2000i Honda generator for storage. To clean your generator, simply wipe it down with a moist cloth. For best results, clean your generator when it is completely cool. Never pour water on or into the generator for any reason. Gasoline can deteriorate and oxidize in as little as 30 days. Deteriorated gas will leave deposits that can clog the small passages of the carburetor and cause hard starting and running problems. Honda recommends using a fuel stabilizer to slow down oxidation and prevent gum and varnish buildup. However, even gasoline treated with fuel stabilizer will deteriorate and oxidize when stored for a year or more. For storage lasting less than 1 month, add fuel stabilizer to the gasoline according to the manufacturer's instructions and fill the generator fuel tank. Run the generator outdoors for 10 minutes to make sure the treated gasoline has reached the carburetor and then turn it off. Once the generator has cooled, turn the fuel tank vent off and store the generator in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. For storage times between 1 month and 1 year, run the generator with stabilizer-treated gasoline in the tank for 10 minutes and then drain the carburetor. To drain the carburetor, remove the maintenance cover, loosen the carburetor drain screw and drain the gasoline into a suitable container. When fuel stops draining from the carburetor, tighten the drain screw. Wipe up any spills and reinstall the maintenance cover. Always dispose of gasoline in an environmentally responsible manner. For storage times longer than 1 year, drain the fuel tank and the carburetor, change the engine oil, and add 5 cc's of clean motor oil to the cylinder. To drain the fuel tank, remove the fuel cap and the debris screen. Then use a hand pump to drain the gasoline into an approved container. When the tank is empty, reinstall the debris screen, fuel cap, and turn the fuel tank vent off. Remove the maintenance cover and drain the carburetor into a suitable container. Next, remove the spark plug cover and disconnect the spark plug wire. Turn the engine switch on and pull the starter grip several times to drain the gasoline from the fuel pump. Turn the engine switch off, tighten the carburetor drain screw, wipe up any fuel spills, and reinstall the maintenance cover. Then reconnect the spark plug wire and reinstall the spark plug cover. It's best to drain used engine oil when the oil is warm, not hot. Make sure the fuel tank vent and the engine switch are off. Then remove the maintenance cover and dipstick. Place a drain pan next to the generator and tip the generator toward the drain pan. Allow the used oil to fully drain. Add 10W30 oil to bring the oil level to the upper limit of the oil filler neck. When the oil begins to run out, the oil level is correct. Reinstall the dipstick, wipe up any spilled oil, and reinstall the maintenance cover. Always dispose of used motor oil in an environmentally responsible manner. To reduce the possibility of rust forming on the cylinder or valves, Honda recommends putting 5 cc's or 1 teaspoon of clean motor oil in the spark plug hole. Remove the spark plug and put the oil into the cylinder. Pull the starter grip 2 or 3 times to distribute the oil. Then reinstall the spark plug and tighten it 1/8 of a turn after the spark plug seats. Do not over-tighten the spark plug. Reconnect the spark plug wire and reinstall the spark plug cover. Finally, pull the starter grip slowly until you feel resistance. Make sure the engine and exhaust are cool before installing a cover or storing your generator near other items. Install the cover and store your generator on a level surface in a cool, dry area away from direct sunlight. Do not use a plastic sheet to cover your generator. Non-porous dust covers trap moisture and promote rust and corrosion. This concludes the video tutorial on preparing your EU1000i or EU2000i Honda generator for storage. Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more details on the processes shown in this video. For additional resources, visit us at powerequipment.honda.com.